My people, come hear the one where they happen now. The legal team of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi one. They don't tell us say that since over 2 months now, since that day they go to court till now, they have not set their eyes or talked to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have tell the Justice Deñying that he don't have confidence on his ruling anymore, that he needs another person to take over and rule his case. They say since that day, Nnamdi Kanu is nowhere to be found, and they are raising this alarm today, telling us what is going on, and this should be a concern to all Igbos, all Biafrans all over the world. I will leave the video for you to watch before we come back and continue. This video is a video that I watched today and is touching. How can DSS decided not to allow the lawyers to have access to their client? No be smart, you know. I even they get the information say that the court don't issue that if the DSS boss refuses the lawyers to see Nnamdi Kanu, they may jail the lawyer, the new lawyer, the new DSS boss. He say if he continue denying the lawyers access, that they may jail him. But this one, you know, say na Nigeria issue, na so they talk their thing. But the one wey concern us now be where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Hear it from the lawyer's mouth. Guys, please rush now and follow our Facebook page. They are fighting us, but we are coming. So follow that page immediately so that you no go dey miss my update as e dey hot. Na so they bring and they come. So watch wetin the lawyer talk before we come back and continue.
Hello my people, for those of you who are asking me about the whereabouts of Nnamdi Kanu, whether Nnamdi Kanu has been released, what is happening to his case, whether we have seen him and what have you. For a couple of days now, I have received several calls within and outside the shore of this country, Nigeria, and people are trying to say that they saw the trending news that Nnamdi Kanu has been released, that we heard that we went to court of appeal, why we went to court of appeal, and what have you. I've been explaining. But I feel that it is nice for me to make this video so that everybody will understand the position of things. As we speak now, I, Maxwell Opana, a member of the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu, have not set my eye on Nnamdi Kanu nor hear from him since 24th day of September 2024, when we went to court last. I don't know why the DSS decided to behave in this manner, simply because Nnamdi Kanu told the judge that I have lost confidence in you. I don't think that I will get justice from your court. You have been biased. He marshaled out his reasons. And the judge said, okay, I have heard. I'm going to send the file back to CJ for the assignment for another judge to hear it, which is normal. It is admissible in practice of law. Now, since that day up to now, the DSSS practically refused us access to Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know whether Nnamdi Kanu is alive. I don't know whether he's still in DSSS custody in Abuja. I don't know his whereabouts as his lawyer. We have been going there severally because there is a valid and subsisting court order directing DSSS to allow Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, his family members, friends and well-wishers to be visiting him twice every week, Mondays and Thursdays. That order, DSSS in their usual way flouted that order. And this is one of the things that made us to file from 48. And we also applied to court, asking court, look at our challenges. We, under section 36 of the Constitution, somebody that is facing criminal trial has a right of adequate time and facility within which to prepare for his defense. They refuse us access. We don't have an adequate time and facility to prepare Nnamdi Kanu for his defense. And we challenge. That's one of the things that brought us to court. So for those of you who are asking whether Nnamdi Kanu has been released, he has not been released. Whether I have seen him, I have not seen him. Whether I know his whereabouts, I don't know his whereabouts. If you should ask me, yes, court said that he should be detained in the SSS. I don't know whether he's still there. That I will tell you, because they refused me access to see him. That one is on that. On why we went to court, of appeal yesterday. We went to court of appeal because we have 3 appeals which we filed from High Court to Court of Appeal. What are the issues? The first one is court and Supreme Court. Remember that we got judgment in Court of Appeal. Where Court of Appeal, the 3-man panel said that Nnamdi Kanu discharged Nnamdi Kanu from all the whole charges. 2, that the way a man of Nnamdi Kanu is brought from Kenya to Nigeria, they condemn it. They condemn all the actions of the government and order that Nnamdi Kanu should be released immediately. They refuse to comply with that order. I'm talking about the SSS and the federal government. They refuse to comply with that order. Until 8 days, when we wanted to take the director of the SSS on contempt proceedings, they quickly filed notice of appeal. And what they call notice of appeal against that judgment to Supreme Court and filed motion for stay in a criminal matter. Now we went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court, after hearing our matter, agreed that Nnamdi Kanu never done bail. Agreed that the court ought not have revoked his bail. Agreed that the way a man Nnamdi Kanu is brought from Kenya to Nigeria here is unlawful. They also condemned the actions of the federal government of invading Nnamdi Kanu's house with Operation Python Dance, the military, the army, the soldiers. They condemned this act and said that we should go back to the federal high court and Nnamdi Kanu should go and face the trial. We don't have a problem about that. We agreed. Now we brought this judgment to the court, so you can now see what the Apex Court said. Not Court of Appeal this time, but Supreme Court. Please, can you restate the bail of Nnamdi Kanu? They said that we ought not have revoked his bail. He refused. She refused. The judge refused. We appeal against that. Now the law under which they charge Nnamdi Kanu, that Terrorism Prevention Act, has been repealed. It's no longer in existence. We say since the law is no longer in existence, what are you still charging him? Court, please, based on that, discharge him. The judge refused. We appeal against that. Now we apply to have adequate time and facility with Nnamdi Kanu, asking court to order that they should allow us to have free access to prepare him. That order was not made. We appeal against it. These are the 3 issues that took us to Court of Appeal. Then yesterday, the matter was heard. So, on the issue of the statement of his bail, they said that the record of proceedings of that particular day, the judge revoked his bail, was not there. And we told the court that we applied. Look at what they gave us. Even when they demanded it, they said this is what they give us. That's the order. The panel said that we should go back to that place and brought that record of that particular record of proceedings of that day. So, and adjourned the matter 13th of January. The question is that why 13th of January? Somebody that is under incarceration. So but that one is the talk of another. They have applied. We are following it up. The other 2 appeals was supposed to have, and they said that they have adjourned for judgment and they will communicate to us on the date of the judgment. Now on Monday, I think that was on the 14th. On the 14th Monday, we went to 14th of October. That's the previous month. Monday this week. We went to DSSS, applied again for us to see Nnamdi Kanu, for us to have a discussion with him, if he's still with them, if he's still alive, for us to have a discussion with him against the matter that came up yesterday, 17th of October. We went to that place. Brethren, they refused us. First of all, when we came, they said that all the lawyers from Nnamdi Kanu, we should park outside the express, then and walk in their premises with left, which we did. Whereas other lawyers that came to see their clients, we are also allowed inside to join their car. They said that we should not go inside with our phone, that we should drop our phones in the car, which we did. But while we were in the reception, we saw other lawyers, our colleagues who came to see their clients also. They were with their phones. in the reception, waited. They were busy calling people, calling lawyers who are seeing their clients until remaining us. Around 5 out of them about they come and tell us that we're not going to see Nnamdi Kanu. Why? That the order is from above. Against court order, that was why we suspected something must have happened. So that is the position we find ourselves. And I am calling the people of Nigeria. This persecution of Nnamdi Kanu is too much, especially the people from Southeast. This persecution is too much, and this is high time everybody should join hands. The lawyers, the civil society group, the political leaders, the religious leaders, and what have you, to protest against this. Nnamdi Kanu is a freedom fighter. He's not a terrorist. Everybody knows. You said that he made a comment. A comment of what? People have made comments more than the one Nnamdi Kanu. You say that Nnamdi Kanu has made in this country, including the wife of the president. During the time when they were campaigning for election of 2023, he said that Igbo should leave. Oba of Lagos said that Igbo should go and die in Lagoon. People refused Igbos to come and vote in Lagos. Open threatening, nothing happened. Nobody charged them for terrorism. It's only Nnamdi Kanu. The people that we see that have committed the act of terrorism in this country, they were allowed to go. It's only Nnamdi Kanu. This persecution of Nnamdi Kanu is getting out of hand. So I'm calling everybody to join hands to fight against this injustice against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Summarily, just to inform you, I don't know the whereabouts of Nnamdi Kanu as we speak. Thanks and God bless you.
There is this update that I see yesterday when I went to one of the IPOB platform, and I see when they write, if anything happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that Nigeria will not remain the same. This is a call that no one in Igbo land or in Biafra land will control. And I see something that Yorubas and Hausas are writing, and some people who don't believe in Biafra also writing. They said that Abiola or whoever was keen in 90s, that if Nnamdi Kanu buy, nothing will happen. Let me send this message and make this record clear to you people, that you see, this call is something that even the 50th generation of this earth will continue to remember what happened, because it's not going to be a child play. Nobody will stand to see it. So don't ever wish it to ever happen. So whatever your government is doing, they should make sure that Nnamdi Kanu is well, is eating well, and is okay. Because it's a story no one would have loved to tell. I'm telling you people the truth. So this is not a joke. It is how we come, and so I pass the message given. My people, please drop your own opinion in the comment section. Make sure you share this video to create awareness. Share the video. Share it all platform to create awareness. Where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? The DSS to allow the lawyers to see the leader of indigenous people of Biafra immediately. Okay guys, share the video.